Hello and welcome to a Taxware video tutorial. Today we'll be covering the amended return and how to e-file it. To begin, once you know you need to make an amended return, go to the Summary menu. From the Summary menu, click on the line titled 1040X Amended. From here you will want to carry into the original column or otherwise type in the amounts on the original return. When you carry to the original column, a backup of the original return will be made. You only need to carry once to the original column. If you did not prepare the original return, then you will type in the amounts on the lines. The next step is to correct the return. To do that, we'll go back and make changes to the return so that it is correct. Once you have corrected the return, we'll go back into the amended portion of the return, and we'll click Carry on the corrected column. This will automatically calculate the differences between the original return and the corrected return in the middle. If we scroll down, we can also input an explanation of the changes that we made. If money will be owed, we can also input information for electronic payment. If you will be paper filing the 1040X, this is all you will need to do. From here you can print the 1040X at the top of the screen, and then you can go and print the rest of the return that is needed. If you will be e-filing the 1040X, you can check line number 1. When you check line number 1, a box will come up showing the limitations of the 1040X e-file system. Things such as changing the filing status or adding in a dependent who might have been claimed on somebody else's return cannot be e-filed. If your return fits these limitations, press Continue. Press OK to return to the Summary menu. Go to line number 20 for the e-file menu. Here you will print out an 8879 for your client to sign. A signed 8879 is required for the filing of the 1040X. Do note that the information on the 8879 will be for the corrected return, not the differences between the corrected return and the original return. Once you have had your client sign the new 8879, make sure to change the pinned signature date on the bottom. Once you are ready to send the return, you will change the federal status from accepted to transmit. If you're doing a state amended return at the same time, you can change the state from accepted to transmit. Each state does amended returns differently, and not every state can e-file amended returns. If you are unsure how to do amended returns for your state, please contact technical support and a technician would be happy to help you. From here, we can transmit the return as normal by pushing the A2A e-file button at the top of the screen. This concludes our tutorial on amended returns. If you have any further questions or comments, please contact technical support at 1-800-877-1065 or send us an email at support@taxwaresystems.com. Thank you for choosing Taxware.